Welcome to Vegas. So the Luxor Hotel is supposed to have the biggest light beam in the world, and it's pretty grand to see in person. The Luxor Hotel also reportedly has the world's largest atrium, and as you can see here, it is pretty grand. This is the Inculator. It is very run down, as I'm sure you can see. Good evening from the Luxor Hotel. It is currently 3 in the morning and we just got checked in. Our flight was delayed, the check-in line was crazy, but we're here now and we're up on the 27th floor. I filmed these shots of the check-in desk at about 4 a.m. I was walking around because I couldn't sleep. But when we arrived at about 12:30 in the morning, that entire lobby was filled with people, and it took us about 2 hours to actually check into our room. Alright, so a few thoughts on the Luxor so far. When we initially booked it, we booked a pyramid room and then we got upgraded and we got a late checkout. And our room was fine, but my friend's room was a complete disaster and they had to completely switch rooms and then they got downgraded. And overall, I would say it's probably going to be a hit or miss if you come here, but the exterior of the building is beautiful and the inside is very, very grand. We're only staying here for a night, so it's not too bad. Tomorrow we are moving on to the Paris Hotel, which I think that's going to be a lot nicer. But yeah, those are my thoughts, my initial thoughts on the Luxor Hotel in Las Vegas. Just to briefly compare the rooms, this is the room that me and my one friend got upgraded to. It's in the tower suite. It's very nice. And then this is the room that my friend got downgraded to. And honestly, it kind of just looks like a basic motel room. And there's not really a view, as you can see here. After a very long and messy travel day, I think it's finally time that I head to bed. I will be doing a full room tour of the Tower Suite room in the morning, so if you're interested in that, be sure to stay tuned. Good morning from the Luxor Hotel in Las Vegas. It's about 7 a.m. right now. The sun is shining and it's beautiful outside. I think I only got about 3 hours of sleep though, so we'll definitely need some coffee soon. But first, I promised a room tour, so here it is. All right, welcome to the Tower Suites East at the Luxor Hotel in Las Vegas. I'm staying on the 7th floor in room 7344. Here is the main entryway, and to the right there is the bathroom. The bathroom was beautiful and it had a very modern design with gold finishes. They provided lots of hand soap and lotion, but make sure not to take any with you because they will charge you $25. There was a full, beautiful, and spacious bathtub, as well as a full and very spacious shower. I don't know many hotels that provide both a full bathtub and a shower. Usually it's a combination or one of the other, and honestly, it's great to have both. And the shower pressure was great too, so that's another plus. Overall, the bathroom was very clean, spacious, and modern, and nicely decorated. Moving on to the main area, there is a luggage rack, a work desk and office chair, a flat screen TV, and lots of storage space. The cabinet was massive and I could honestly probably fit in there myself. It also came with an iron and ironing board. And there's another look at the TV and desk drawers. The first drawer is actually a fairly large safe. I didn't use it, but it looks like there was lots of space to store all of your valuables. And the bottom drawer was a basic drawer. It had nothing in it, but they were soft close drawers, which is nice. The bedside table was clean and had a nice large lamp that provided lots of light. There is also a standard phone to call down to the front desk if you have any issues, which you might if you stay here. And a gold accent mirror, which is very pretty. And there is a full view of the sleeping area. Everything was made up when we came here. This was taken in the morning after we had slept in the beds. My favorite part of the room was this beautiful seating area and these large floor-to-ceiling windows. I grabbed a cup of coffee from the Starbucks downstairs and spent my morning relaxing and watching the planes go by outside. All right, and here's another look at the exterior of the building. Like I said last night, it is very grand and beautiful. I could barely see the Sphinx when I came in last night in the dark, so seeing it in the morning in the beautiful sunlight was an experience for sure. And that about wraps up my time here at the Luxor Hotel. For the record, the checkout was a lot smoother than the check-in. Overall, I would agree with what I had to say last night, which is it's probably going to be either a hit or a miss. If if you don't really care about what your room looks like and you want something affordable, then book the pyramid rooms. If you do want to stay here and you want a bit more relaxing, luxurious experience, the tower rooms are absolutely beautiful and they have really, really great views. The only downside, again, is that I think there might be some complications, and there definitely was a massive check-in line that took forever to get through. Another thing to consider is that it is near the end of the strip. The main reason why we stayed here was to have a cheaper night, but also because it was easy access to the Las Vegas sign. So that's why we stayed here one night. But to stay here for your whole Vegas trip, you would have to take one of the monorails to the main part of the strip.